Yeah, good day everyone. Welcome to my YouTube channel. On this channel I talk about how to promote your business online. I talk about how to monetize your business and how to make income online as an individual. So today you are welcome to Gifted Computer YouTube channel. Today we are going to talk about how to start CAC business registration in Nigeria, all the things that you need to know before you can start registering business in Nigeria. So let's go. Make sure you subscribe and follow me along as I go this morning. The first time, what we need to do is, as an individual, you don't know much about CAC and you have been hearing that you need to register your business, or you are planning to become to be registering business for people. So this today I'm going to show you. First of all, let's search for CAC. Search for CAC. Let's search on Google. Now this is CAC. This is their website. This is their website. Corporate Affairs Commission. If you are hearing about CAC and you don't know the meaning, it's not Christ Apostolic Church, it's Corporate Affairs Commission. So this is their menu on the Google. Now when we go to their website, let me click on it. So you can see the website is loading. So you wait for a while, allow the website to load. So you can see. Now this is their website. This is the CAC portal. This is their website. When you come, this is their website. So this video I'm going to do it in different playlists. So this one will be for the introduction, and the next one that we are going to post, we explain everything. We explain how you can register a business name by yourself, how you can reserve name. We are going to explain that one. But today we are going to introduce you to their website. So you can see the first thing you need to do is that maybe you want to know about them. You can go click on About Us, open it in new tab and read about CAC. You can read about them here. So you can see about them. You can see what they do. They register business name. You can see them, who we are. You can click on it. When you click on who we are, you see what is going to come out. So you can see, you can read about them. You can read their duty, their functions, their mission, their core value and everything. But you're not going to that place today, which you can check yourself. You can check their news. If you want to contact them, you want to ask any question, you can easily contact them from this place. See their phone number. You can call them. You can send email to their help desk, or this one, cac.gov.ng, or your Gmail, or you submit your information here. So that's how you can contact them. You are having any issue on your registration. So you are going to go back to the home. You click on the home button here. Now to start, the first thing is to do public search. You need to do public search. But before you do that, they have instructional video here which you can check. This instructional video will guide you through on how to use their portal. We guide you through on how to use their portal. You can see the video. I think the video is in 2 sections. So let's check the first one. If you play the first one, you see it's loading.
You can do it yourself.
So you can see, you can check the video. Because of network, the video is slow down, but you can still check it on yourself. You can see this is the video. You can check it.
You can do it yourself. It's easy. The Corporate Affairs Commission, CAC.
They are just showing the intro that you can register the business by yourself. That you can register the business by yourself. That you can register the business by yourself on your own without employing anybody without hiring an agent. So that is it. But there are some issues that you need to hire an agent. So enterprises limited are easier to register, but you get to some stage where you need to hire an agent. Maybe you are registered at NGO, or you are paying annual fee. So all those things will be guided here on this tutorial, how to do it. So let's go back to home. I just take it through in case you want to check the instruction video. That was why I click on it. So let's go back home. Let's click on home button. I click on home button here. So this is the home. This is the home. The first thing you need to do when you get to CAC portal, even before you register anything, is for you to do public search. Public search is to search if the name is available, if the name has been taken by someone else. So you need to do a public search. So let's click, for example, want to do a public search. I will click on public search, and let's see what is going to come up on the screen. So it's loading. So this is their public search page on the CAC portal. If you are using your mobile phone, it's still the same process. So now, for example, we want to search for a name. Let's say we are searching for Gifted Computer. Let me search for my business name. Let me search for Gifted Computer. For example, I just want to register new technologies. Now let me search. Maybe I've not registered this name, for example, but I've already registered. I'm just using that as an example. Let me search for this name. Search. Let's see what is going to happen here when you search for this business name. Now when you search, it's going to show company first. This is company, this one is limited company. Now it's showing this one first because but my name is registered under business name, which is enterprises. When I click on enterprises, now my name is going to show up. You can see it now, my name is showing here, and my business is active. If I click on company, it will not show because it is not registered on company. And many people made mistake when they are doing public search. When you are doing public search, any business name that you see BN on their number, this is BN here. You can see this number. You can see BN here. So this BN, any business that starts with BN, that business is registered under enterprises. Now when you now see RC, so RC is limited. RC is for limited company. So I hope you get that. So when you see a business name, business name is shortened with BN, and limited is shortened with RC. So now my name is registered. Maybe someone want to register this name and he not discover that this name is registered. So what I'm going to do is to search for another name. For example, you can search Gifted Global Institute or Global Tech, for example. Let's search. It's not available. You search on company, is not available. So you can search another name. Just think of names you can search. So this is how to search name. Like let me search for another name. Let me search for JB Computer Enterprises, for example. Let's say now this name is not, let's check, it's loading. Check business name. Now I don't know this person. Me, I'm just searching on my own, and when I search for it, I discover that this business name is registered and is registered. So you can see this business name is registered in Yobe State. The person is in Yobe State, operating, working in Yobe State. So now if you search for a name like this and you discover that it's registered, so I encourage you not to use this name. If you use this name, CAC is going to collect your money. They will collect your money and tell you that the name is not available, and they will not refund your reservation money. So they won't refund your reservation money, and you still have to reserve another name again. So if you know you don't know how to reserve a name, I told you I'm going to take it step by step on how to register a business. So comment on the comment section below that I should prepare a video on how to reserve a name, and I will prepare it. I will prepare it on my next video and show you step by step how to reserve a name. You can reserve a name for 60 days, but when it exceeded 60 days, CAC will remove it. The name will still be on your dashboard, but they will remove it. You can't register it again. And a situation whereby you want to re-register it back, you need to contact them, because if you reserve the name back, they will tell you that the name is in their database, something like that. So now this is how to go through the CAC portal. Now this is how to check the name availability. Now the second one I'm going to show you is online registration. Now you have checked public search, Now the next one we are having is online registration. I'm just introducing us to their portal today. So before we now go on our next section, we will go to how to reserve a name. So we can see when we click on the online registration here, it's taking us to this place, which is step 1. Step 1 is public search. Which we have already done. Then the next one is reserve a name. So you can see we have different steps here. Reserve a name. So when you reserve a name, after reserving a name, it is that time that will now go for registration. All these ones are registration, you go for it. Now I want to give you a guide here. CAC have already prepared a guide for people. Let's check. This is the guide. So this is a guide. You can print it out, you can have it on your phone, you can have it on your laptop, but because of the voluminous of the page, I suggest you have it on your laptop or your phone and read through and follow this tutorial as you are doing the practical on this YouTube channel, which is going to help you a lot to register your business. And I'm also going to teach you how to register business for people and make your money. I am a student, I am a part-time student, and I'm working on my own. I'm not working for anybody, I'm working on my own, and I'm making my money every day. Business registration, web design, social media marketing, and all those stuff like that. I'm also a graphic designer, so I can design for you. If you want a design, if you want me to design for you, I can design for you. But make sure you comment in the comment section or follow us on our Instagram, on our YouTube, on our Facebook, on our website. So when you chat on our WhatsApp, we are going to add it to our group where you can learn more for our community. Thanks for watching, and make sure you like the video, make sure you share. Now you download the user guide. When I click on download, it will automatically download. Now it's downloading. I'm using an extension to download. That's why it's supposed to be popping up here like these images that I download, but I'm using an extension to download because of network. Sometimes my download, if it stop here sometime, I may not be able to resume, but because of this extension I'm using, I'm able to resume it back. So next on my video, I'm going to show you how to make use of some things on the internet, how to make use of some extension, so that you also know about this extension, because my dream on my channel is to take you through some tech skills that you can use in your business, that you can use as an individual. So now it has downloaded. I will open the folder. Now let me open the folder. Now this is it. CRP user guide. So when I open it, let me open it on my Chrome. I will open it on my Chrome here. Yes, this is it. So this is the user guide that will guide you through. Even though you don't know anything, this user guide will guide you. They have already prepared the document. The document has been prepared by CAC, and this is 174 pages. So if you say you will print this manual, this is and now for my area we are printing 15 naira per page. Your area may be more than that. So they show you step by step what you need to do. So if you go through it and you go through this video, definitely I give you 100% assure that you're not going to have issue in registering your business with the CAC and getting your certificate within 3 to 5 days on their portal. So make sure you go through this is your reservation receipt. So you can see it. Everything is here, and I'm going to explain in the next tutorial how to reserve a name. But you can go through all of this. This is everything. You need to make payments and everything. You can see this person have already registered 50 company. All those things are here. So that is it. How we stop here for showing you their portal. How we stop here. Now you can download it and save it on your system and put it on your mail, or it's available on the CAC portal. Anytime you come to their portal, is available there. Now you can check any other thing that you want to check, and can check support center. You can check the account creation. I'm going to teach you how to create an account that you not be having an issue on their portal. Don't go and create account yet. Type create account on my comment section, and I will prepare a video on how to create account on the CAC portal successfully with your phone number and NIN. So make sure you subscribe, like the video, and comment on the comment section. Share it to your loved one. Thanks for watching, and subscribe. When you subscribe, you are going to get notification when I upload my next video on this channel. Right, thank you for watching. You are welcome.